Welcome back, YouTube, to another video here on the BitFinance channel. My name is Zay. We talk about crypto analysis. We look over Bitcoin, Ethereum, other altcoins such as Solana, Doge, maybe a little Trump coin. We also tap into the S&P 500 just to see what's going on over there. We also have the dollar, the Dixie, just a whole bunch of cryptocurrencies we're looking at. Basically, we like to look at market trends and find the best ways, entries, and positions to make money, right? So today is Wednesday, March 26, 2025. It is currently 8:13 a.m. in the morning. It's the middle of the week. I hope y'all have an amazing week. Let's go ahead and dive into it. All right, so currently Bitcoin sitting at around 87, really roughly $88,000 here right now. It looks as though we are bouncing off somewhat of the mid-range that has, or temporary mid-range that has been created around $80,000. If I draw a line like this, you can see that we've had one, two, three, four types of interactions here within this $80,000 area. We've had 2 wicks below, it looks like, and we are slowly grinding up to that resistance area around 91K, right? Because, or since price is like slowly moving up, that's not the highest bullish sign that I see within the market. When price tends to slowly move up like this, once it hits a resistance area such as this 91K, it tends to A, maybe wick up, or B, chop around here and then fall back down, right? But ultimately, I am seeing price really target this area, kind of fake a couple people out, thinking that the bull run is back, or the bull run is back, but thinking that we are continuing to price discovery mode is going to shake those people out, and then we come back down for maybe like a couple wicks, or a few price action around this 70K area, maybe a wick below or two. But ultimately, this is the area that I'm targeting here around 71K. I think that would be extremely beautiful to enter a long position. Like I mentioned previously, I'm probably going to enter the longest, or not the longest, the largest buy position that I've ever entered in my life. I'm looking forward to just the benefits and the journey that comes with that. But in the meantime, I can only deal with the present moment right now. And currently, I am seeing price come up to this 91K area. Right, so if price decides to do that, then I would be entertaining short positions just because of the reasonings that I mentioned previously, right? In the meantime, though, that's what I see on Bitcoin. If I scroll over to Ethereum, I'm still currently in my Ethereum trade. It hasn't stopped me out, so I'm going to continue to hold firm in it. I do believe that we are in a similar position to Bitcoin, whereas that we're slowly grinding to a resistance area. Right here on paper or on chart, it looks like it's going to be around the 2.3, 2.4 area range. Right now, we're at the 2 area range until we break structure on the 4-hour, which is going to be this candle right here. Until that happens, I'm going to stay in this position because I do think price can at least come up to that area, right? And as you can see on the short term, we are in a bullish uptrend here on the 4-hour. So as you can see, price is slowly moving up. I like the way that it's moving. It's not moving as fast as I would like it to, which kind of has me a bit skeptical. But in the same sense, we are ultimately creating higher lows. Higher low 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and potentially this can be 6. So until we break structure, I'm going to continue to stay in this long position, and that's that. If we scroll over to Solana, similar, we are still slowly grinding up. It's looking like a curve right here. It looks like we can at least get up to here if Bitcoin and the S&P continues to be bullish. And on the upside, we can see prices hitting here. Now, this would have been a good trade if price even comes down to here. That I might entertain that, but I would be skeptical just because it came all the way back down here. I would have to expect that price may dip lower, right? That is Solana. Ethereum Doge. See, Doge gained some support here, and now it looks like it's breaking up. It is facing some short-term resistance here at the 20 cents area, but ultimately I am expecting price to come somewhere around the 22-cent area. All right, that's really all that I have for Ethereum. Not Ethereum, but for altcoins. I just gave y'all a quick analysis breakdown on what I'm seeing here on the charts. I'm going to go ahead. Is that one? What I have here? 84. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and take off these lines because I like to keep my charts nice and clean. I don't want anything extra on them, right? So we just gonna boom, take them out. We're gonna let price do what it does. Hopefully we continue today bullish. The S&P has been looking really good so far, at least for the weekly. It looks like it's been recovering. We had a nice gap right here. Yeah, the last 2 weeks have been bullish, so that's good to see from the S&P. I know they've been getting a lot of backlash and a lot of talk, but it's, hey man, I don't feed into that. I just follow, you know what I'm saying, what the charts is telling me, right? That's basically all I have. Y'all stay tuned for this time sensitive content. So whenever I post a video, it is imperative that you go ahead, take some time out your day to watch the video. That's if you want to make some money. But I am not a financial advisor. This is only for entertainment purposes only. I hope y'all have a great day. It's Wednesday. Go ahead, finish out the week. Bye, bye, bye. And I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. I'm gone.